Welcome to the Installing nopCommerce through .NET Control Panel tutorial. To begin, you'll need to access your control panel by entering controlpanel.yourdomainname and pressing Enter in your web browser's address field. Now, sign into your account. From your dashboard, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new database for your nopCommerce. Select Databases, then SQL Server 2008. Now I want to create a database, and I'm going to just give it a username there, and that's too long, so we'll do test account nopCommerce, and we'll click Save. And now we'll need to create a user, and we'll just do nopCommerce here as well. Enter a password. Select a database that is the default. Then tell this user that it has permission to access this database. Go ahead and click Save. Now we'll need to access the file manager. Select your domain name. Now next to www root, we want to click the lock symbol. And we want to ensure that read and write access is provided for all users. Click Replace Permissions on all child objects and Set Permissions. This is going to allow nopCommerce to install. Go ahead and click Microsoft Web App Gallery. And then we're going to select e-commerce from the drop-down list. And we'll install the nopCommerce option. We'll click Next. We'll select the website to install it to, and we'll click Install. This installation process will take just a moment. Now nopCommerce is installed on our website, and we can begin setting it up by clicking this link. We're going to tell it we want to install nopCommerce if we're not upgrading from a previous version. Now we'll enter SQL Server name. This was provided to you in your initial account setup email. We'll enter our username, which is, and our password. And then we'll click Next. We'll use an existing database. Oops, sorry. And let's go ahead and let it create sample data so that we can see how that works. Go ahead and click Next. And this is take a moment to create your database settings. And there you have it. Your nopCommerce is now ready to go, and we can click Go to Site. There you have it. Your new storefront is ready to go.